Hey y'all, I know it's been a minute since I made a video and I'm sorry about that, but between school starting back and then my daughter getting COVID and all of my extra responsibilities with homecoming coming up next week, it's been a little crazy around here. My house is a disaster, my kitchen is a disaster, my garden is still producing and it should not be, so we're still getting tomatoes and squash and zucchini. Yeah, that's zucchini. So yeah, I've been a little busy and haven't had a chance to make videos, but it's game day. Finally get to see my dogs play for the first time in forever. So I made up this dip that I know myself and my husband and my son, because he's the only one here, my big guys would tear it up too if they were here. We're gonna tear it up ourselves. And sorry boys, maybe next time. I've got 2 packages of cream cheese. My oven is preheated to 350. This is a cup of my personal medium salsa. I like to make my salsa a little more restaurant style, so it's not as chunky. You feel free to use whatever you love, okay? Because this is about you and your taste. If you like big chunky salsa, use it. It looks gross though, doesn't it? And I'm gonna add to this here in just a second, trying to get that mixed in a little bit. We're gonna bake this at 350 for 20-25 minutes until it gets nice and golden bubbly. My salsa, y'all, we love my salsa around here. My husband got upset with me because I sent some with the boys. Honey, I had plenty, but I ended up having to make more anyway. So I got about a cup of Colby Jack cheese. Throw that in there. Don't leave any behind. Stir that in really good. And this is actually going to be a meaty dip. So I'm going to add some chicken to it in just a minute, but I'm also going to add a cup of sharp cheddar because I like a lot of cheese. A whole lot of cheese. And sharp cheddar cheese just makes me happy. Always has. Oh, this is extra sharp cheddar, even better. So, cup of that, throw that in there. There's just something about the combination of salsa and cheese and cream cheese. It's just good. It just tastes yummy. So, and then when you bake it and it gets all golden bubbly, watch out, world. So that's the consistency I want right there, because I know that's gonna bake and that cheese is gonna melt, and that's gonna be yummy to my tummy. So I've got a can of chicken here. You could certainly cook some chicken yourself and throw it in there, or if you've got leftover chicken and you want to cut it up or shred it and throw it in there, do it. I'm just taking the easy route on this one, and I don't have any chicken available to me other than the canned stuff. Well, I mean, I got frozen, but I ain't going there. So, Chris, are you still having to eat chips because I took your salsa away?
Mm-hmm.
I was like, I need my salsa. He goes, I need the salsa, honey. There's more. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in my little pan here, and I'm gonna have it bake at 350, like I said, for about 20-25 minutes. Might go 30, kind of depends on how golden brown it gets. But when this is done, I'll come back and show y'all. It looks kind of gross right now, to be honest, but it won't for long. I'll come back and show y'all how yummy and tasty that is. See you soon. All right, 25 minutes later, look at that. Ooh. Y'all, that is so creamy and chunky with chicken, and it smells really, really good. So if you want it just a little drier, leave it in for another 5 minutes or so. I think this is just exactly where I want it, but I'm gonna taste it on camera so y'all can see how much I like it. It's hot though. It really, literally just came out of the oven. You want to taste it on camera too?
I'll do the judge.
I think everybody needs to see your shirt.
My nasty
shirt I
shirt.
No,
chose
your
for-
shirt.
My
Your shirt.
The shirt I chose for him for, what was it? Father's Day?
Father's Day.
Yeah. Okay. You can go
That
back
also was late.
Okay, yeah. That's really good, y'all. It is really good. You need to try to make this. I promise you'll like it. And then tell me if you like it. Because I like it. Anyway,
Nasty.
we're going to get back to the game. Try it. Tell me if you like it. Y'all take care.